Hi, this is Mackina Chamberlain, GIS Engineer here at Holganix. I'd like to personally thank you for showing an interest in our Farm Possible program and set some expectations for what's to come. By filling out an application, you've started the process of a 3-year journey where you'll see improvements day by day. Through the use of Holganix Bio 800, we're rebuilding the soil microbiome, unlocking the nutrients that are already there, and reducing the need for additional inputs. At its core, this program is about building Thrivability, creating healthier soils that can support your farm for generations to come. The agronomic benefits are real. Better nutrient cycling, reduced compaction, better water retention, and stronger root systems. But just as exciting are the financial opportunities that come with it, like Thrive Acres, where healthier soil can unlock new revenue for you and your community. These perks are a bonus, real dollars that stack on top of your agronomic improvements that drive your ROI. So what's next? Your local soil health specialist will be reaching out with you to get information on your field boundaries. There's a few ways of sharing these, and we'll work with you to figure out which one works best. We encourage you to work through these steps as quickly as possible to ensure we don't miss any important deadlines like testing for our carbon program. Thank you again for your interest. We're excited to grow possible together.